So happy Monday, y'all. So it's 12:12 actually, and we're heading out on the road to do quite a few errands. The first stop we're gonna do is Starbucks, though I haven't had any breakfast yet, or tea, or coffee. So I haven't been to Starbucks in months. So we're gonna head to Starbucks to grab us a coffee. Then we're gonna head to our doctor's appointment, and then I have somewhere else to go. Not sure if I'm gonna take you guys with me to the doctor, but we'll see how that goes. So just come with me on the road, and I hope you guys are doing well. So happy new week.
No cap.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I did grab my Starbucks. I just didn't get to video because I was doing a shorts. Yeah, don't worry. I do have another phone in, so I should have just bought 2 phones in, and then I could have used one for YouTube and another one for shorts, but it's okay. So we're gonna head on out to our doctor's appointment right now. This is white mocha something. I just tell her to recommend something that's sweet. Definitely not sweet enough for me, but it's okay, which is a good thing. I know this camera looks lean. Anyways, I will see you guys when I'm at the doctor's office. Guys, you will not believe what time I'm leaving the doctor. It is 4:20. I just came from the pharmacy too, and I only spent 5 minutes in the pharmacy. So I basically got to the doctor's office at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Now it's 4:20. I know that's how my doctor always is. He's always busy, always have a lot of patients, like no matter the time that you come. But oh my god, and he takes very good care. That's how I'll always wait for his ass. I'll always wait for him. But I am thinking to try Churches today because I'm very hungry. We only had the Starbucks today, so we're gonna head to Churches since I'm in the Halfway Tree area. So hopefully it's not too crowded. If it's crowded, I'm just gonna take my ass to KFC or BK, because we ain't cooking this hour, 4 o'clock. We're not gonna go home. We're not gonna go home and cook. Plus there's nothing in the fridge, and I need to go to the supermarket. But we're not gonna go to the supermarket tonight. Like, I just want to eat and go. I just want to get food and go home. So we're gonna go to the supermarket tomorrow.
I love you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I love you that.
I pulled up to Churches. It was about, first of all, the drive-through not working yet. That's off for me because when I like come to my care fast food place. Number 2, when I was pulling up to park, inside the line looked a little bit crazy. A lot of people inside sitting plus the line. So I was like, no, I'm taking my ass to KFC. So KFC is literally below it. So I'm gonna say, all right then, let me just peep. KFC line, look, no line in KFC. I was like, bet. So I ordered me my barbecue zinger. So we're having KFC today. Churches, I will see you in another day at another time, whenever I'm in the area, or if you to try. Or this is like my second attempt trying to get Churches, and the lines are crazy. Like, they need to make the drive-through. If the drive-through was working, I would have stayed, but I'm not parking, getting out of my car and standing in no line. I'm sorry. Fast food, you know what, whatever. Anyways, that's updates. Yeah, there's 3 cars ahead of me. I feel so good. You do me good, KFC. You're doing me good today. Getting my barbecue zinger, plus the lines are short. Gods are working in my favor today. Thank you, Lord.
We could go on a vacation. Have fun, baby, all night long. We also have some preset Q&A questions, and these are basically questions that individuals normally ask.
Hey guys, so class is finished. Well, it's more like an orientation. So class officially begins tomorrow. I'm just heading on the road to get some soup because I'm really not feeling well, y'all. And I don't have anything to make soup at home, nor I don't eat cup soup anymore, even though I really miss cup soup, but I don't eat cup soup anymore. I'm not supposed to. So I don't really have that in my house. And like I said, I do have anything to make soup, so we're gonna head to get some soup on the road right now, and then we're getting drink it and then head to bed. We're just not feeling well. Also, the KFC that I had today was pretty good. It's just that it wasn't that warm. The burger nor the fries was warm, not piping, you know, not out that right out of the fryer, and the burger was warm but not warm enough. But yeah, nonetheless, I got my barbecue. I'm happy. So I am back home. I got my soup. By the way, police stopped me. I didn't have my license on me. Do you know that is an offense? I was like, yeah, I know. And I was like, I have the license in my email. But I got let go. Thank God. But to be honest, I took out my license because I knew I wasn't going to bring any purse. So I took out my license and I left it in the house. But anyways, I got my soup. She said she literally only had breadfruits, like no, like any, you know, other food, ground provisions. And I'm like, you know, I told myself I was going to bring my card because I was going to check to see, you know, when you buy soup at certain nights, like they may not have nothing left in the pot. So I was like, let me bring my card with me. And then if she don't have what I want, I'm just going to go to Island Grill. Didn't bring my car with me, so I just had to just buy what she have. So most likely just water in it, which is fine. I'm just gonna drink it and relax for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hearing you play in the evenings, watch you sing in church on a Sunday morning. Yeah. Been finding your strength in the waiting.
Alright guys, so I'm just getting home from the supermarket. We're just gonna do a little haul. I didn't buy much. I only went for rice, eggs, and spinach, but I took up a little bit more. Took up some little knickknacks. You know, anytime you go to the supermarket for one or two things, you're gonna take up more than what you bargained for. Anyways, I got me some string beans. I got me bath soap and what's this called again? Sanitary stuff. Put that on the floor. Topping up on tissue. Got 3. Then, of course, got me 12 eggs. Essential. Eggs are essential, okay? Then, callaloo, also essential. Spinach for my eggs, very essential. And I got me brown rice, and anytime I go to Lee's, I always pick up this plain cake. So initially I was gonna do fish because I have fish in the fridge, but I totally forgot to take them out from early for it to thaw out. But unfortunately it's late, so I have this I'm gonna cook today. Seafood mix. It was very reasonable, y'all. So seafood mix, and with some brown rice and callaloo. I'm actually gonna cook the callaloo with the rice. I'm gonna do callaloo rice plus the seafood. I initially wanted like no rice, like my sweet potato and whatever, but weekend we're gonna ask our mom if my mom going to town. I'm gonna have her buy some ground provision and stuff and seasoning, because I do have the only seasoning that I have right now is onion. Anyways, we're gonna pack these out, and I'm gonna get back to work, and we'll catch up later. I do have class. Today's Tuesday, by the way, so I do have class in the next 2.5 hours, so we need to hurry up and do what we're doing.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your